I am without a job. I have enough to get by, but I feel like every day I'm closer to rock bottom. Life is slipping through my fingers. I see my friends moving forward, and inside me grows a sadness and regret that I wasted years. If you've ever felt that paralyzing helplessness, that state where you know you need to do something but you just can't, this video is for us. Today we'll use Carl Jung's methodology to understand that this helplessness is not you. It's the voice of your shadow that has taken control, and I'll show you how you can reclaim it. Helplessness isn't a lack of strength. Helplessness is the loss of connection with your own strength. And why did you lose it? Because, according to Jung, all those parts of yourself that you deemed insufficient, dangerous, or shameful were repressed into the shadow. Think about your life. Perhaps in the past, your assertiveness was punished, your initiative ended in failure, your self-confidence was ridiculed. To avoid pain, your psyche made a decision. These traits are dangerous. We'll hide them deep. This is how your own power, courage, and agency became part of the shadow. The shadow doesn't disappear. It lives its own life, and it takes control in a sneaky way. Through projection and self-sabotage, you see other people who are successful and think, they are strong and I am not. In reality, you're looking at your own repressed strength, which you now attribute to others, that voice in your head that whispers, you won't succeed, you're good for nothing. It's too risky. This isn't your voice. It's the voice of your shadow, which is so afraid of failure that it would rather prevent you from taking any action. That's why you feel powerless, because your true power is locked in the basement of your psyche, and the guard of that basement, your shadow, convinces you that you've lost the keys. Time for practice. The first exercise aims to disarm the inner saboteur and identify your trapped strength. Take a notebook, draw a line down the middle. On the left side, write, the voice of my shadow. On the right, my repressed power. In the left column, write down all the rational justifications for your helplessness, all the thoughts that hold you back. Be brutally honest. I won't succeed anyway. I'm too old/too young to start. Others are better, smarter, stronger. Now, for each point in the left column, translate it into the language of your repressed power. Ask the question, what trait or strength is this voice trying to hide from me? I won't succeed anyway. It hides my courage to take risks and perseverance in the face of challenges. I'm too old, too young. It hides my life wisdom or energy and fresh perspective. Others are better. It hides my unique value and belief in my own skills. Now look at the right column. You'll see a list of your own real traits that have been trapped. Your courage, your perseverance, your self-belief. This is your map of repressed power. These aren't empty words. These are parts of you waiting to be released. Insight alone isn't enough. You must act. But I'm not talking about diving in at the deep end. I'm talking about rituals of restoration, small symbolic acts that reclaim power from the shadow step by step. Your shadow feeds on your passivity. Every action, even microscopic, is a blow to its heart. Choose one trait from your map of power. For example, courage. Now, instead of thinking about finding a job, think, how could I express a little more courage today? Call about one job offer, just one. You don't even have to get it. The goal isn't success, but the act of doing something you feel like withdrawing from. If your repressed power is initiative, clean up one messy corner in your apartment, make the first draft of your CV, sign up for one free online lesson. It's not about the result, it's about making a decision and completing one small task. If your repressed power is self-confidence, say no when someone asks you for something and you don't feel like it, or say yes to something you want but are ashamed of. This is training your inner yes and no. Each such micro action is like restoring 1 pixel of your image. You can't see the difference after 1, but after 100, 500, the image becomes clear. You start proving to your nervous system that you are someone who acts, that you can. Working with the shadow in helplessness isn't about fighting the darkness. It's about finding the light that you extinguished in yourself and gradually rekindling it. Your regret about wasted time? That's also part of the shadow, a part that doesn't want you to look to the future. But this regret can become your greatest teacher if you listen to it instead of running away from it. It tells you life is precious. I don't want to waste it anymore. It's not about having everything solved by tomorrow. It's about doing one small thing today that belongs to you and not to your shadow. 1 no, 1 yes, 1 phone call. This is the true Jungian alchemy, transforming helplessness into agency, starting with the smallest possible step. Share in the comments if you'd like. What one small power have you reclaimed for yourself today? Sometimes realizing that we are not alone in this is the first, most important step.